Welcome to Low Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore how to group elements in Google Drawings. So I have these text boxes, and in the last video, I made sure that they were distributed horizontally, so the horizontal spacing between them is the same, but you'll notice they're not in the middle of the drawing. So one way to fix that is to group the objects together. So what I'm going to do is, while holding down the Control key, I'm going to select all three of the text boxes. And then when I go to Arrange, I'm going to select Group. And what that does is that allows me to control all three of them simultaneously. So now that they've been grouped, I can grab it and move it to the center of the drawing. You'll notice when I am right on the center, the little red vertical guide indicating the center becomes visible, and I can just unclick and it will snap directly to that. And now notice that not only are these text boxes distributed horizontally, there's an even amount of distance between them, but now they are centered in the Google Drawing canvas as well. If I need to ungroup them, I can just click on the group and then go to Arrange and ungroup them. They stay where they are, but they're no longer grouped. Also, if you right-click or two-finger tap, if you're on the like a Chromebook, you have these same options. You can regroup. Since it was in a group, if we weren't in a group before, it would give us the option to group them here. Notice whenever you right-click on an object, you get a lot of different menu options. Cut, copy, paste, paste without formatting, delete, edit text. It's a text box, so you can edit the text. Give it alternate text. That is typically in case you want your Google Drawings to have more accessibility for visually or reading impaired individuals, whatever the case may be. You can fix the order, rotate them, center on page. We're going to be going over those in in a next video. But you can group objects together if you want to make sure that you treat them like one object so that you can manipulate them all at the same time and in the same way. That's what I did here to just make it centered on the page.